my only true love. An epitome of beauty. I see the sun in your eyes. I see the moon in your eyes. I see the colors of rainbow in your eyes. If I say I love you, it's an understatement. The truth is that I adore you.
Whenever you say these romantic words to me, it makes me smile. You give me reasons to be happy. You make me feel special. When you say you love me, I love you more. When you say I'm an epitome of beauty, you are the most handsome. When you see the sun, the moon, the colors of rainbows in your eyes, I see the whole universe in your eyes. But I fear.
What are you afraid of?
I fear to die.
What do you mean you fear to die? Chama, who is killing you?
Anything that will take you away from me. I can't imagine loving someone else.
Chama, you're confusing me. I'm lost here.
Hoping. You're just like my mother. You took her place in my heart. You mean the whole world to me. I can't imagine losing you. It's the same as me losing my own life. I can't.
Shh, Chama. Stop. Who told you that you're losing me? Who told you that someone is taking me away from you? Okay. Let the waters, the mountains, and the birds in the sky bear me witness as I pronounce my undying love to you, Chama, and nothing, I promise you, nothing is stopping it. I love you.
I love you too.
To go and prepare dinner. No, it's getting late. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll come and see you again
When I
tomorrow.
come to your house, I will do the same.
Is that a threat? Don't worry, I'll come and see you tomorrow. Greetings, James. Alright.
Please, can you sit down? Let's talk.
Sit down where? What do you want? Eh? Why are you making me look as if I'm wicked? I've been truthful to you. I'm like, I don't like you. Why are you making me look as if I'm heartless? Why?
Please. You know I love you. Please.
Love, love what?
At least hear me out. Listen to me for me.
Yes, I am not interested in you. I'm not interested. I don't want you. See, stay away from me. Please don't come to my father's house with me. Don't come to my father's house.
Amaka.
I'm going to my father's house. I don't want to see you here.
Amaka, wait now.
Wait, wait.
Amaka, please.
Don't come near me. Oh.
Yes, now take it. But I don't really know how to play it.
I worship people.
Let's do it.
Play.
Cinco.
Wait, let's
wait. Oh yeah, cinco.
Wait,
He did not allow me
Wait.
Let's go again.
If you fail this time, you go.
Let's dance.
One more time.
Okay, one more time. One more time. Oh yeah. One more
I
time.
even know how to dance.
Wait, so you don't allow me to do it well now? Amaka. Where's she going? Wait, I'm coming. Amaka.
Come. Oh yeah.
No, let's dance. It's only dance I know.
Oh yeah, dance now.
Oh yeah, sing for
Dance now, sing for yourself, rubbish.
me. What? Amaka, what is the matter with you? For some days now, you've been looking worried and unhappy. Amaka, what is troubling your heart? What is eating you up? Talk to me. Are you alright?
Adobe, don't worry. I'm trying to figure out something.
Amaka, what are you trying to figure out that you cannot tell me your friend? Your best friend.
Look, don't worry. Let's just go. I'll tell you later. Are you sure? Let's go. I'll tell you later.
Okay, better.
Amaka.
My leg!
Amaka. Amaka. What is wrong with you?
My leg.
Your leg?
Yes, my leg.
Let me see. Sorry. Okay, just get up, okay? You need to go home so they can massage it for you. Sorry. Hey, and your place is far.
Yes.
Okay, you know, okay, let me take you to my house. Then I'll massage the leg for you. Then after that you can go home.
Yes, okay.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Sorry. Sorry, eh? But next time you have to be careful. Amaka, sorry.
Thank you.
Ndo. Sorry, take it easy. Take it easy, okay? Sorry.
Yeah.
Please, next time you just have to be careful. Okay? Sorry. Amaka, sorry. Ndo. Ebube. Ebube. Ebube! Please come. Please help.
But I was wrong with that.
She had this location.
Sorry.
Take it easy.
Sorry.
Ebube, please, you have to look after her. Let me get her something. I'll be right back, okay? Nabia.
Sorry, you'll be fine. I'm sorry.
Choma!
now, what is it now? Why you scream my name like you're about to get drowned in an ocean?
That's not the problem. I saw your Obi on my way coming here. I saw him with Amaka. And I think he's taking her to his house. My own Obi. Your Obi. My Obi. Yes. It's a lie. See, you know what? Check on. Come, John. Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Just check what's on fire for me. I'm coming.
Yeah. Don't go and do anything stupid, though.
Obi, I want to say a very big thank you for your kind gesture. You have done what others couldn't have done, and I'm very, very grateful for what you have done. You did what many wouldn't have done. So I pray that the Almighty God will reward you.
I don't trust that girl. Let me go and see what she's up to.
Amaka, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, okay, so
It's okay. Let me walk you down the street.
no, that's not necessary.
But I insist.
Okay, Obi, I beg to come around anytime I'm pleased to show appreciation for your kind gesture.
It's okay. But just make sure you call before coming, okay?
Sure, I will.
So let me walk you down.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Babe, I wasn't expecting you. Choma, wait. Choma, wait now. I've been calling you.
Tell me, what explanation do you want to give to me? That I'm supposed to message you before coming to see you, right?
Choma, who said so? I mean, you are taking this whole thing too far. The poor girl needs my help, nothing more.
Can you hear yourself talk? Just listen to yourself. There is more to this than what you're saying.
More to what exactly? She was in pains and I took her to my house, nothing more.
You said that before. Savior of the world.
Look, you know I love you. Believe me, everything will be fine.
It's not as if I'm accusing you of anything. But just that I just want you to be careful with these girls in this village.
Choma, I am sorry. But trust me, it's nothing.
Okay, hope you had something to eat. Linda!
I am right here. Romeo and Juliet.
Choma, I have to rush back to the house. You know, my sopas is bad.
Okay.
But I'll come back later for the food.
You better do. Because if you allow my food waste, you'll pay for it.
Of course, I will come.
I can see love in the hair.
Alright.
I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
Linda!
Don't fight. Tell me you did not fight.
Linda! Why did you make the whole thing feel as if there was something serious happening between the both of them?
It was something in our waist now.
Stop it! Leave me.
What's your role?
James, let me tell you something about the girls in this village. No one is beautiful enough to call a bride, if not from Choma. In fact, I've made up my mind not to marry from this village.
Chidi, what did you say? Did I hear you say no one is as beautiful as Choma?
No one is as beautiful enough to call a bride except from Choma.
Who is Choma?
My Choma. The daughter of late Mazi Udofia. That is dating Obiara.
Oh, I remember. So, you mean she's the most beautiful girl in this village. Are you saying she's more beautiful than this girl?
Which girl?
Oh, that girl, Amaka. Yes.
Amaka. Amaka. Wait, you mean we are talking of beautiful girls and you're talking of that ugly thing?
Chidi, is it my Amaka you are describing as an ugly girl? Why is it that you have eye but you can't see? You don't see how charming and lovely she is?
There's nothing to know about it.
Oh, there's no problem. I think I have to leave. Yes, I have to leave. If you are done with your unnecessary argument, you can meet me. I have to be leaving.
James,
Stop calling me. Where are you going to?
So your house, of course.
I know it's you. No man's hand is as soft, cool, so touching as that of my old being. What kept you this long?
Sorry I kept you waiting, my love. I met Amaka on my way coming.
She did what?
I met Amaka on my way coming.
Again?
What do you mean again?
You mean she's the reason why you kept me here?
No. I met Amaka on my way coming, not that I had something to do with her.
But she's still the reason why you kept me waiting.
Choma, what are you talking about? I said I met Amaka on my way coming, not that I had something to do with her.
It's still the same thing.
No, it's not.
Which simply means, oh, okay, seeing Amaka on the way. How does that stop you from keeping me this long?
Choma, what is even wrong with you? I don't have anything to do with Amaka. Choma, why do you want to kill the trust we had because of jealousy? How can you practically accuse me of having something to do with Amaka, a total stranger? Look, Choma, you know I love you, and I will do anything to protect our love.
You know I don't want to lose you. That's why I'm worried.
Choma, you're not losing me. I love you and that's all that matters.
I just wanted to stay away from her.
It's okay. I'll try as much as possible to make sure Amaka doesn't come between us ever again. I promise. I cross my heart.
Obi.
I'm sorry. I kept you waiting.
It's okay.
So can we go now?
Alright.
You look good.
Amaka!
Where is she?
Amaka!
Amaka, I know you're here. Why are you so happy?
Guess what? What? Okay. I saw James on my way coming to your house and he gave me this to give to you.
Adobe, I don't understand. Why are you like this?
I thought you had something serious to say.
Is this not serious? You don't even get to know what is inside it.
I don't want to know what is inside that thing. I don't. See, you better take it back to him. Take it back to him. I don't want to see that thing in my compound.
Amaka! Amaka, come and take your gift too. What kind of human being is this? Now I even wish I have someone that will give me this. Yeah? Amaka! Okay.
My guy. See, James, I have told you. Stop running after all these village meetings. At the end of the day, you will end up not getting what you want. Judy, listen, let me tell you. You don't know anything about these meetings. All you need to do is buy them gifts, shower them with lots of gifts, and they will end up loving you.
Uncle Christmas, village Christmas. You think it's all about gift?
Yes, it's all about gifts.
Look, my friend, see, eh? Let me tell you something that you don't know.
What is it?
I've been looking for you. I've been waiting for you here. It's good you're here. What is your problem? What did you say that Adobe to come and give me? So after telling you to stop this your useless love stories, you still continue, Abby? Hey, James. Look, let me tell you something. Let me warn you, if you try this nonsense again, James, you will not like the outcome. Don't try it again, no. Don't try it again. Nonsense.
Oh, James, have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Stop! What is your problem? If not that you're my friend, I would have... Why would you stop laughing like a village goat?
Let's go.
See, have you take time to consider her front page, her backyard? It's not worth living. As far as I'm concerned, I will not leave Amaka. Leaving her is no...
James Bond. What we used to watch in the movie.
Ebube,
Yes, brother. You called.
I'm set for work. Make sure my food will be ready before I return.
Okay, brother.
The only handsome man in Amala Kingdom. The one whose smile heals the broken heart. I wonder where he's up to this early.
An hardworking man is a pride to his family. As you can see, I'm ready for work.
Greetings to you.
Greetings.
I'm actually paying for the kitchen.
Oh.
Ebube, I think she's here at the right time. She'll help you out at the kitchen.
I can't imagine the delicious meal I will make for my oven.
And I can't wait to test the wonderful works of your hands.
Okay. Run along then, and I can't wait to be part of your success today.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
I'll see you when I return.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, bye. May the good Lord bless your day and bring you back peacefully.
Can you imagine that heartless attitude from Amaka? Eh? Can you imagine? Why would she do something like that? Reject a gift. Who does that? Is it your business?
Is it not a choice? Can't you just stop pock-nosing? It does not concern you.
Linda, what did you just say?
You heard me right.
Me? Pock-nosing? Stop it. You girls should stop this rubbish. You are not a kid. What is wrong with you? Ebere, stop this rubbish before you turn this little to something else. Ebere, one hand. One hand, because I am not her mate. I am not her mate at all. Who is talking about me? One hand. Hey.
Who is your mate? Look at this small Adobe of yesterday, claiming age mates with me. Mwah.
Linda. Hey! Linda! Is it me you're talking to like that?
Yes, I'm talking to
Linda,
you.
I'm talking. Is it me you're talking to like that? Let's stop with you, girl.
Amaka, wait. Amaka, you look so beautiful. This your weave on is so good. Amaka, why is it that You are so blind to see that I love you. Why is it difficult for you to understand that I love and care for you? Eh, my love?
Don't ever call me your love again. I am not your love.
Wait, Amaka, you know I love you.
James, if... Love, kill you. You don't even know your type. Go and look like your type. When I'm pushing something better, you're disturbing me.
This food tastes good.
It was made specially for the future crown over my head.
It reminds me of my mother. Exactly how she used to prepare meals. Well, I'm not surprised you made this.
Why?
Because no girl from your mother will be a bad cook.
Why did you say so? Do you know my mother that much?
Who doesn't know your mother in this village? I heard she was a good cook. And I also heard that's one of the reasons your father married her. Because he always wants to return and meet something like this on the table. You know what?
What?
I'll stop at nothing. I love you.
I love you too. Linda, seriously, I love the way I'm being treated. My Obim is just so romantic. He does everything with love and care. I can't wait for him to come and see my people.
Hey, I can see love in the hair. You love one ting. What about Amaka?
Stop it.
It's just you.
I said stop it. I don't like it. And if I say I don't like something, stop it.
I'm only trying.
Just stop.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
It's alright. Oh yeah, go and continue. You've not even plugged in time. You know you eat more than I do. Yeah, go and plug in.
Are you trying to call me foodie?
Oh really? You don't want to do it again,
I'm
Abi?
not doing it again.
Don't worry now.
Brother, what is it this time?
What do you mean?
I know nothing brightens your smile, except you're thinking about her. And it impressed me too, yeah?
Ebube. Well, you're not far from the truth. Let me ask you. What do you see in Choma?
Actually, I see not just a woman. I see a wife. One who is capable of building a home, kind-hearted and caring, with an exceptional beauty and good for me.
Wow. Now you see why I'm happy. I'm so grateful to God for giving me such a wonderful lady.
He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtain favor from God.
You're right. And I am so grateful to God for giving you as my sister. Thank you for always standing by me. Now go make my friend.
Amaka, that was how she was saying all those bad things about you. That girl, if you see what she was saying about you, if you see all the bad things she was saying about you, Adobe.
What?
Adobe.
What?
Have you forgotten I was also there when the whole thing happened? I know you were there. But since you refused to talk, I decided to talk now.
Hey, Adobe. When will you ever learn how to say the truth? When? Amaka, don't listen to this girl. Don't even mind her. She's lying. It was just a little argument.
Hey! Hey! What are these good-for-nothing girls doing here? Planning evil. Gossiping people in this village. Cho.
Adolu. What is it?
Who is even calling me? Oh. Ebele, my princess. I don't want to believe you have joined all these witches in this village to gossip. Nyabukuni yen neche maka sexy. Nyabukuni yen neche maka sexy.
Adolu, get out of this place. Get out now. Oh, you don't understand the meaning of get out.
Get out. I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. Man, I'm going to take it on the sex.
Get out.
Get out.
Hey! You would have slapped him. Hey, God, see my face. You would have slapped him.
That's good for you, for all the lies. Lie.
Amaka, what how? I will transfer this aggression to you. What how? His mouth is smelling.
Sorry.
Amaka, why are you laughing at me now?
Sorry. If I was the one, I would give you one dirty slap.
You're back.
Nah, I'm back. Oh.
Hey, so good to see you. City life is good on you.
Like this.
Look at you. You're looking good.
I want to Hey, my bro.
You know what? Just wait. Let me go inside and bring you something. This call for celebration.
Ago.
Odinaka.
My brother. Hey, my brother.
Oh yeah, gabebu. Yeah, gabebu. Oh yeah, gabebu. Yeah, gabebu. What are you doing? He's just. Oh yeah, Amaka, come and dance. Amaka, gabebu. Yeah, gabebu. Yeah, Amaka, gabebu. Yeah, gabebu. Yeah, ebere gabebu. Yeah, gabebu. Yeah, ebere gabebu. Nothing is shaking.
Adobe, what is chasing you?
Amaka, nothing is chasing me. The news is that my Odinaka is back.
Wait, Adobe. Which Odinaka are you talking about?
The most handsome man in this village.
Odinaka. What did you just call him?
My Odinaka!
Keep quiet. Who are you referring to as my Odinaka?
Ebere. For your information, Odinaka and I were in love before he traveled to the city.
My own Odinaka. You are in love with my own Odinaka? Adobe, are you this shameless?
Yes!
Will the two of you keep quiet? Adobe, are you okay? How come nobody in the village knows about it? Eh? We all have been waiting for the return of Odinaka for Ebere here.
Oh.
So how does that involve you?
Amaka.
Yes.
Amaka.
Yes.
Odinaka and I were in love. Odinaka asked me out. In fact, let me rephrase his exact words. Adobe, will you be my girlfriend? And I said yes.
It's your grandfather, your great-grandfather that you said yes to.
Bam.
In fact, I don't have time for this shameless fool.
Ebere, isn't it you're calling shameless? You are shameless. In fact, you are a fool. Shameless fool. Can you imagine?
You don't even have time. How? I don't even have your time. You see this matter? We'll settle it.
See, Odinaka is mine. Better leave it for me. Odinaka is mine. It's mine now. What? Odaka is mine, yo.
What to do, my brother? I'm just here in the village. But I know that one day, I'll join you to the city.
Do and come. Just that the city there is very stressful. Like, life there is stressful.
Yeah.
It's open. Giddy, ginger. Every day, everybody's busy. If it's this place city, all these places are businesses now.
Are you serious?
Seriously.
Well, you are making your money. You now have wristwatch. I thank God too. Now Ebere can now rest her mind.
Yes. But she has not seen me yet.
Binaka, don't tell me you've not gone to see her.
Not yet.
Don't tell me you've forgotten about her.
No, now. That's impossible. How can I forget Ebere? It's not possible now. She's even the reason I returned.
My brother, sharpshooter. See, I'll not let you enjoy all this drink without going to see her first.
I'm not dull though.
So I want you to... No, you can go with the bottle. What are friends for? Go with the bottle. I'll get it later.
Sorry.
Just go and see her.
Okay.
No, I'll take it inside. I'll take it inside. My brother. Dinaka. Good to see you, my brother. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Just keep this drink for me.
You don't want to go with it?
No. Somehow.
You are not a city boy, you.
What I go? What did I will be?
My brother. Hey.
Am I going to sit and watch another person collect my desired man just like that? No, I won't. What does she even have that I don't have? Is it this or this? I will need to use what I have to get what I want. I can't leave Obiora for that girl. I can't, and I won't.
Greetings to you.
Greetings. Is your brother around?
He has gone out. We'll be back soon.
Okay, in that case, I'll be on my way.
Is anything the matter?
Not at all, don't worry.
Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay.
Amaka,
I've been waiting for you here.
you've been waiting for me?
Yes.
Hope there is no problem.
There's a problem. See, there's something I've been willing to tell you.
Amaka, what is it? And why are you holding me like
I'm
this?
in love with you and I can't hide it anymore.
Amaka, this is not possible.
Why?
I am in love with another. You can't be doing this.
See, I've made that place for us. See, I can't wait to have you. We're alone here. Let's just go.
No, Amaka, I cannot do this.
Let's
But
go
I can't
now.
do it.
See, we're just here. Nobody will know.
No, Amaka, let's not do
You're
this.
wasting time. Let's go.
Amaka, what are you doing? Amaka,
Let's go.
Amaka, pick
Amaka, are you okay? Amaka, what is it? What is wrong with you? What are you doing here?
Why are you looking for me? Why are you looking for me? What do you want me to do for you? What is your business with what I'm doing here? Why are you so annoying? Why are you so annoying? Shameless Annie.
Amaka! What wrong have I done now? Nothing is even wrong with her. But was she even pretending? Amaka! Amaka, wait, oh! Obi.
That's all.
I am so happy to set my eyes on you again. I thank the Lord for keeping you from me. I missed you so much.
I missed you more. Awesome. I can't afford to stay without you. Because of you, I returned. I can't break that promise I made to you. Obi, I love you so much.
Obi, not only my prayer brought you back, but my heart too.
Asa. I promise to be there for you. I love you so much. I can't break that promise. Asa.
I love you more. I love you more. I love you more.
I brought something for you.
What is it?
Guess what?
What is it?
Ebu babe. How are you?
You're welcome, brother.
Hey. Please help me take this bag inside. Ebu babe.
Yes.
Are you okay?
I'm alright.
You don't look happy. What is it?
Amaka was nice to see you.
Oh. I see that's the reason you're unhappy.
Yes. Well, I'm still not comfortable with her. Ever since you helped her out of whatever she called it.
Ebube, listen. Okay, fine. I'll take care of it. Just take the bag inside. And get me something to eat. I'm very hungry.
Damn.
Yeah. And please, keep water for me. I'd like to take my shower as well.
Amaka, so tell me, how are you preparing for the wedding ceremony? Amaka, I'm talking to you.
I'm so sorry. What did you say?
Amaka, what is the problem? You're always looking lost. Amaka, remember I'm your friend. You can talk to me about anything. I mean anything at all. A problem shared, they say, is a problem half solved. So talk to me.
Okay, just promise me you're not telling anybody about it.
You know I would do no such thing. Fine. I promise.
It's about Obiora.
And what about him?
I'm in love with him.
Be serious, Rico. Be serious.
I'm serious. I'm very, very serious. And I will do anything to have him. Anything.
Amaka. But, you know Choma is engaged to him.
Who cares? I don't care. Look, let me tell you something. Covenants and promises are meant to be broken. And you see, this one is not an exception.
But if I may ask, what about James that has been chasing you around in this village? Why not give him a chance? Amaka, I can see love and care in his eyes.
What is wrong with you? Why are you like this? See, don't even go there. Don't mention that thing name. Do you understand? Don't. Look, if you don't want to help me, fine. If you want to help me, then please do. I do not need your advice. I don't. Keep it to yourself.
Amaka, me have said my own. You should just think about it. He's good though. He'll be good for you.
You can have him.
Oh, Biora, that one, no go area. Don't even think about it. It will not work.
You don't even know who you're sitting down here with.
Amaka, please just hear me out. Give me a chance to prove my love to you.
James, why are you running after me like a fly that is running after a rotten meat?
Oh, here you go again, Amaka. It is because the fly sees something in that rotten meat. I see the future in you. If a fly sees something special in a rotten meat, there's no how it will stop following the rotten meat.
James, leave me alone. Leave me alone. See, I don't need you. Neither do I like you. You're not my type. See, there are so many girls here that I don't need you. Go and look for your type. I'm not your type.
Amaka, just look at this special flower. Amaka, now.
Go and look for your type.
Amaka,
leave me alone.
You know I love you. I love you with the whole of my heart. Do you know where I went to pluck this special... Oh, my flower. Hey, this girl is heartless. She has destroyed my flower. Oh.
Amaka! 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 Are you trying to tell me that you are deaf and dumb? I've been calling you. You don't want to answer me. Why all the girls in this village want me to call them, but I refused. And I'm calling you, you are here misbehaving. Amaka, do you have cotton wood in your ear?
Look, I do not have time for drunkard like you. Or do I look like a... Do I look like one of those your drunk mates? Eh? Useless man. You're so useless.
Drunk? Yes, I agree. Useless? I concur. I always go for what is mine. That's the reason why I always go for my alcohol, as you can see. I don't blame you. You ugly thing. Fool.
Look at... I don't have time for... I don't have time for fools like you.
Tell me, why will you have time for me? Time? Me? No. I don't blame you. You useless girl. You are here. For you to think about your future. You are here. Thinking... No. Just...
Wait, so let me ask this question. Why is it that people who fight never cease?
My dear, it all depends on where the wind of emotion blows it to. Ebere, see, if you find love, you would never see. Allow love to find you, then you will enjoy every bit of its rhythm.
This is clear enough. But why is it that James is chasing after Amaka and she seems not to give him chance, even as handsome as he is?
Love is blind. Love does not see. It is a driving force that cannot be resisted. It does not know age nor look at level.
Well, I pray the wind of love blows on my way one day.
Please, I have something to do at home. My mother is already waiting for me. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Amaka, Kekime.
Aduma. Greetings to the most handsome man in this village, my everyday crush.
Greetings, Amaka. This one you are standing here all alone. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. But I'm waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Odora, I really, really do love you. And I care a lot about you. Look, all I need from you is attention. Is that so much to ask?
Enough of all this, Amaka. Enough. I am in love with Choma. This cannot work.
Please, look, can you see the love in my eyes? My lips, my body. Please,
Amaka, what are you doing? You are embarrassing me.
I don't care.
People are watching.
I don't care. See, I love you.
Amaka, Biko.
Obiora, please. Can't you see the love in my eyes? My lips, my butt, everything.
Amaka, stop it. You're embarrassing me. People might be watching.
I don't care.
Stop.
I don't care, Obiora. Please.
Stop.
Please. I love you, please.
I don't love you.
Obiora, please.
I don't love you and I will never love you. What is it, sir?
Obiora, please.
James, I was at your place yesterday and you were not around. My friend, where did you go?
My brother, maybe that was when I went for food item. You know the road is far.
James, brah, food items. You. Come, tell me. Did you go to Amaka's place?
My guy, what to do?
Hi.
That was what actually delayed me.
James. I've always told you to leave this girl alone. Leave her alone. Nothing positive will come out from it.
Chidi, if you see what happened, Chidi, she insulted me. She humiliated me. She even called me names. She said I am like a flies that run after rotting meat.
No, that's nonsense. For what now? What nonsense? See, look, my brother, let me advise you as a brother and a friend, okay? Even when you get married to that girl, you will enter into the deepest regret of your life. What nonsense?
Chidi, but you know I love her. You know I love Amaka. She's the only thing that gives me joy. In fact, leaving her is the last option. I will do everything to convince her. Yes, I will do things to win her heart.
I know. I know you love her. Man, you not on way. That thing we go to the chop, be happy, where they sweet and pass, na kill and pass. And then use which where you lege, go as go no. The stubborn fly, follow the curve to the grave. On the badanya.
Will you get out and leave this place? Who invited you? Who invited you? Idiot. Look at how he stinks.
Are you insulting me? Your grandfather was a womanizer. And your father was a rapist. In fact, it was cool for you. But look at you. They combine everything together and give birth to you as in Allah.
If you do not shut that thing of yours, that pit of yours you call a mouth, I will kill you with my bare hands. Nonsense.
Adolu! I called you 3 times. Go! Get out from here!
Yes, I will go. No, I will go. But tell your friend. Tell this your idiot and nonsensical friend. Stop chasing women around.
Just go.
If not, they will bury you just the way they bury your father and your grandfather.
Is it your business?
Family of womanizer.
Is it your business? Allow me to chase around after women. Do you have anybody you chase after? Your father, idiot.
Just go!
Useless boy. You don't have any girlfriend. Who will you marry? Drunkard. Rubbish.
Nonsense! Just imagine.
So, it's because of Choma that Obiora is not giving me attention, right? Don't worry. I know what to do. I know just exactly what to do.
My love, you know, when I look into your eyes, I see my future with you.
Anytime I have a thought of you, it gives me joy and happiness.
Really?
Yes.
Guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you. And I need you to close your eyes.
Okay.
No cheating. Can you see me?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Close your eyes.
Okay. Obim. 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 Stop it. Come out of your hiding place, please. Obim.
I'm sorry. Were you scared?
You scared me.
Sorry.
Please,
I just wanted to say how brave you are.
please
I'm
not.
sorry.
Don't do it again, please. You scared me.
You know I can never leave you, right?
Yes.
Come here. Why are you shy? Told you, once you are here, you'll be seeing that every day. It's happening every day, my brother.
Every day. I wish to see more. That reminds me. Guess who I saw yesterday?
Who is that?
Guess now.
You know I'm not good at guessing.
Try, guess. Guess who I saw yesterday?
Yeah, I don't know. You saw...
I saw that Amaka.
Amaka? What about Amaka?
Not what you are thinking, Oga.
Naka, what do you know that I'm thinking? Because I know what you want to say.
See, Obi, let me tell you. Makachuku, that girl is in love with you. Izuku, she's madly in love with you. And the way I'm looking at her, she can go to any extent, any length to get what she wants.
Unfortunately, she will not have me. Odinaka, let me tell you. You see that girl Amaka, I dislike that girl. Not even to talk about love. See, Bia, change this topic now. I beg. Because I don't want to talk about that matter.
Obi, I beg you, be very careful. Because that girl is very desperate.
And she cannot get me. See, Bia, Odinaka, if you don't change this topic now, I'll go to my house. Ogini now.
I'm just, because you know, desperate people, they can go to any length to get what they want. Ozuko, so I'm just trying. You're my very good friend, Ozuko. Sorry.
Odinaka.
Sorry, give me more gist. So,
you've spoiled my mind now. Oh yeah, go and get me drink.
Pami.
Go and get me Pami. Let me change my mind.
Pami.
Don't you think I'm smart enough to get what I want?
Amaka, I trust you on that. So tell me, what are your strategies?
What else if not the issues of my emotions?
I don't think I understand what you're talking about.
Let me tell you something. You see this body? Very, very soon, Obiora will come begging for this. I bet you.
Wait, Amaka, wait. You mean Obiora? The Obiora that we know come begging for?
Yeah, for this.
How possible is that?
Let me tell you something. When a tortoise embarks on a journey, he does not ask for directions. You know why? He doesn't want his enemies to know which direction he's going. So just calm down. Trust me. I have my ways. So just sit and watch. I will shock you.
Amaka.
So that's my name.
Okay, I'm watching.
Ancient of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never fade. patient of
Chioma. Chai! Your voice is as beautiful as that of an angel. It can awake a dead man.
Linda, you won't stop flattering me.
Honestly, I'm not.
Anyway, why didn't you come around yesterday?
I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. My mom didn't allow me.
And you know I prepared something for you. You just allow my food waste. You will pay for it though. You will pay.
I'm sorry.
You will
but
pay.
Don't worry. I will eat all the one you prepared today.
See, I didn't include you. I did not include
you. You
in
better
this
go and
one.
include my own.
I did not include
Just go and include
you.
for me. Don't try me. What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
No. Oh, can you help me scratch me?
Okay. What's wrong with you?
You surprised me. Is that a promise?
I promise now.
Surprise me.
Touch your brother. I can do it. Let's go. What is it? So I'm closing my eyes. Oh, I'm saying.
Good day.
Choma, are you okay?
I want to tell you something.
Choma, what is it? Choma Ogini.
It's like you're going somewhere.
Yes, I'm going home with my sister. What is it?
Okay, I will come and see you later. I want to go and see Olama. I'm going to her house. I will see you later.
No, Choma, wait.
Brother! What is it? Brother!
Yes?
What is it?
Nothing, I'm fine.
The weather is too hot. Very hot. Everywhere. Very hot. James.
If not from Choma in this village, I've not seen any maiden as beautiful as her that has real wife material.
Chidi, just leave Choma out of this. We're here talking of possible things. You are talking impossible. Okay, as a man that you called yourself, can you walk up to her, be bold as a man, walk up to her and tell her, Choma, you are beautiful, I love you.
Yes, now. Is it not what I did? Yes. If not for Obiora that is having his way, I'd have.
Shut up! You would have done what? See, I am not in for this your afternoon argument. I think I have to go back from here. I'll see you later.
Go. You can go. What is it?
You don't even have respect for your best friend.
Ebube!
Yes, brother. You called.
Never mind. Take the cup. Choma, what is it? What's the matter with you?
I seriously don't know. But I'll be fine.
Choma, are you sure?
Yes.
You got me so worried yesterday. Even till this moment, I'm still very much worried. Talk to me. Choma. Choma, what is it?
Please, let's do it now.
Choma,
let's do it here, please.
Do what? What is wrong with you, Choma? People stop. People are wanting stop. Choma, stop!
Obim! Obim! Oh.
My love.
Why always laying ambush on me? I want to ask you a question. What exactly do you want from me? Tell me.
You want to know what I want?
Yes, tell me, because I want to know why.
Don't tell me you don't like this. Hmm? Tell me you don't like what you see. You don't like God.
Amaka, do you want to know the truth?
I know you want me.
I don't like you.
That's not
You
true.
have to stop this.
That's not true. I know you want this. You want this. Come.
Amaka, stop. Amaka, Amaka, don't do this. Seriously, I don't know what is going on. I don't understand. She has never behaved in such an ugly manner before.
So, what do you think could be the problem?
Exactly my worries. I'm confused.
Obi, you must find a way out. Yes.
Yeah. Choma.
Chiri, wait. I understand.
Choma, please don't hide your face from me.
Obi, I'm sorry. I don't want it. I'm sorry.
Choma, it's okay. Choma! Wait! Choma, wait!
Excuse me.
Choma! Wait. I beg to talk with you. Oh? Listen, I understand. What you are doing is not intentional.
Who cares? No one wants to understand.
Don't worry. We do. Oh? It's okay. It's okay. I and my friend, we understand. We know. Oh? Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Let's do it here, please.
Do what?
Don't say no, please.
Wait. Don't.
Let's do it here, eh?
Not again. Choma, wait! Choma!
Don't say no, please.
Wait! Choma, please. Choma! No, Choma, wait. Do what?
Please, let's do it here, please.
Choma, wait.
Please, I beg you.
Wait.
Please.
Okay. Wait.
Please,
Choma!
Please, I beg you. No. We'll be fine. Don't say no, please, I beg you.
Fine, wait, fine.
Please, let's do it here, please.
Hold on.
Please don't say no, please.
Naka. Even you?
No, Obi. It's not what you think. Tell Obi! Obi!
Amaka, come out here! Shameless girl!
Come out! Husband snatcher!
And what are all these chickens doing in my house?
Amaka, what do you think you're doing? Eh? What did they ever do to you to deserve this evil act of yours?
I don't understand. What are you people talking about?
Stop pretending as if you don't know what we are talking about. Now lie to me that Obiora is not under this your roof.
And what if he's inside my house? What if he's inside my house? Is there anything any of you can do? You can't do nothing.
Amaka, are you this heartless and shameless?
Are you just knowing?
To cast a spell on two lovers just because of your selfish interest.
And how is it your business?
Oh.
Ogini! Ogini! How is it your business? Ngem?
My love.
Ngem, how are you?
I cannot blame you.
Let's go inside.
No, honestly, I cannot blame him. I'm sure he's not the one talking.
Let's go inside, baby.
And as for you, Amaka, God will surely punish you for your...
Is you go punish?
Let's go.
Shame on you.
This guy is shameless. Let's go. Did you just...
Amaka. Okay now.
Ebu, what are you doing here? Where is my brother? How dare you? How dare you come to my compound to ask of your brother?
Again? What is it? Ebube. Ebube, what are you doing here?
Brother. Is this you? Oh, so it's true. Why are you behaving like a coward?
Ebube, me? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Again?
So it's true.
Sorry.
I forgive you.
Did he insult you?
Yes.
She insulted you.
Yes.
Hey, you.
Don't leave her. Leave her.
You're mad. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
My love is okay.
Sorry.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Let's go inside. You are mad.
My fellow ladies, please, don't watch me lose the only one I have left in this world. You all know, ever since I and my brother lost our parents, nothing ever meant anything to me other than his happiness. And you all can testify that Chioma has been a good girl. Not until Amaka. Not until Amaka finds his way. Not until Amaka finds her way into his life. Something is wrong. I know something is wrong. I know. Please, what can you girls do to remedy this situation?
I think I know where she got her powers from.
You know?
She got her powers from the goddess of the river.
Hey! Hey!
She was the one who gave her the powers to make Chioma abnormal.
Yeah.
She was the one who also gave her the powers to make Obiora fall in love with her.
I'm finished.
Ebube.
I'm finished.
Ebube, this is not a crying matter. Okay. We all know how powerful and strong the goddess of the water is.
Okay.
This is something prayers can solve. Adobe. Only prayers.
Adobe.
Ebere.
Adobe.
Ebere.
Are you sure you know what you're saying? Are you sure?
Ebere. I know you all think that I talk too much. But Amaka is my best friend. I am more closer to her than you and Linda. So I'm sure of what I'm saying. I know I'm not supposed to say all this because she's my best friend. But Chioma and Obiora don't deserve this. They're innocent and don't deserve this. That's why I decided to speak up. I'm sure of what I'm saying.
It's okay.
Ebube, this is not a crying matter. We all know how strong and powerful the goddess of the river is. This is something prayers can solve. We just need to pray hard.
It's okay. Since you said it's only prayers that can remedy this situation.
Yes.
Please, when can we gather to pray for them? When can we gather to pray for them? I need my brother back. I need my brother back.
There is no time. I think a day after tomorrow is okay. What do you girls think?
Yes, it's okay. It's okay, yeah.
It's no time.
Okay. Okay.
It's okay, Ebube.
Okay.
It's okay. There is nothing prayers cannot do.
Okay.
It's okay.
Next tomorrow, ba? Next tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Next tomorrow. Please.
Amaka.
Okay.
Amaka.
Okay.
Chioma, what is it? What is going on? What are you becoming? Just tell me.
I will understand.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how it happened. No, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't.
It's okay. It's okay. I've come to inform you. The young men of this village have agreed to gather to pray for you and my brother. And please, make yourself available.
I can't. I can't walk around. The shame is too much. I can't.
It's okay. I understand. And they too understand. You can join us to pray.
Yes. I'll say my own prayers here. After all, I'm a Catholic.
Okay. We'll pray in the church while you stay in the house to pray. Please. I strongly believe by the time we are done with this prayer, everything will be over. And you and my brother will be back together.
Thank you so much.
Anything for you and my brother.
Thank you for everything.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, everything will be fine.
My love. You know I love you, right? Yeah. That's why I know.
Sorry.
Patience of peace, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never change. You will never change. Patience of peace, as old as you are, as old as you are, Jesus, you will never change.
Hello. That's why I love you. I know. Yes, I know.
We all know why we are here. We are here to pray for the deliverance of Chioma and Obiora. We are here to deliver them from the hands of the captive. Because the Bible said, right from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence. But only the violence taketh it by force. Therefore, we are here to break every yoke that has been cast on the two of them. We are here to destroy everything the enemy has cast on them. Therefore, sisters, open your mouth and begin to break every yoke that has been cast on them. Begin to pray for their deliverance.
My sugar.
What is it? What's the matter? Come, sit. Come. What's the matter? Obiora, come.
Choma.
Obiora!
Choma.
Obiora!